Today is probably the nicest day that it's been in a while, and we also received a little shipment in the mail. Do you want to take the liberty of opening, babe? Live fertile hatching eggs. So we ordered from Meyer Hatchery some quail eggs.
Don't want to hit the egg or something. Don't know what it looks like inside.
Our order today is 30 bow white quail eggs, which are the best quail eggs from the New Jersey area, which is why we purchased them. And we did a little bit of research before, and when you get the eggs, you just want to leave them in their little carton for about 24 hours so that they can acclimate to the air, and then we will throw them into our incubator, which we actually did a review on our Nurturate 360 incubator, which we're going to be using for these quail eggs. So
Also, while you're letting the eggs sit for the day so that they're settled from all the travel, you want to set up your incubator so that it has a solid 24 hours to acclimate to get to and stay at the proper temperatures.
Yep. So we're gonna let these babies kind of sit in the air, and then we've also turned on our incubator and we're warming it up to the right temperature and humidity to start our little babies.
So it's been 24 hours and our incubator's up to the proper temperature for our breed. We have Bob White quail. It's 99.5 degrees and 60% humidity. So it's been sitting there for about 24 hours now, and we're ready for the eggs. So we're gonna pop them in, and then 22 to 24 days from now, we should see a bunch of baby eggs. So because this has a automatic turner, you can just be very careful, but put your eggs in every day. This will actually spin and do the turning for us. If this was a brooder, if this was an incubator that did not have the automatic turning, they have different devices and you put your eggs face down. But in our case, try to be very gentle. These things are real tiny. If you want to know more about the incubator, we did a review on the Nurturate 360, and you can check out the link right up here. I think I could fit 3 in each, and I most likely will need 3 in each, but we'll see. Alright, so we'll just let that sit. The temperature needs to obviously acclimate back. It's rather quick. You can see the numbers spiking already. They're going up and up. So we'll wait for that to get back to a constant temperature. If not, we'll have to make adjustments. It does have the humidity port here. Now we wait.
With so many different eggs to be incubating, it can often get confusing how many days, humidity, and temperature you should have your eggs at. So we did make this great decal available on our Etsy shop, and I'll provide a link down in the description bar below. They're breaking out of their shells. So cute. Little boys and girls. Here's my fingernail for size. They're tiny, tiny.
One in the back, is he dead?
No, he's chilling. Oh, it's spinning wings. Chris, what are your thoughts?
I think they're adorable and I love them. I want more. More stuff. I don't know what we're gonna make next. Some peacocks. I'll shoot.
Once the quail have hatched, you'll want to let them stay in an incubator until they're fully dry, and then start to move them into their brooder box, which, stay tuned, because next week we are going to be sharing our brooder box builds for these baby quail, as well as so much more. So make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, as it does support our channel.